Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of August. And first of all, national news. 1.29 crore votes have been cast for Nota in last 5 years, poll rights body. Uday Umesh Lalit to be next Chief Justice as name formally shared will have 74-day tenure. No consensus in Collegium met new Chief Justice to decide appointments. Chief Justice of India N.V. Raman will retire on August 26. Supreme Court issued notice to Amrapali founder on bail plea. Hopeful of getting new law passed by budget session, Minister on Data Protection Bill. Congress MPs to march to Rashtrapati Bhavan on Friday over price rise. Call centers scamming foreign nationals busted in Uttarakhand, 14 arrested. India-US to carry out mega military exercise in October. And no progress on resumption of India-Pak trade talks center in Rajya Sabha. 43 inmates of Uttarakhand's Haridwar jail test positive for COVID. Journalist Siddiqui Kappan denied bail by Allahabad High Court. And now some international news. China's temperatures rising faster than global average over last 70 years. China fired long-range ammo into Taiwan Strait in fresh aggression. India among our closest partners, US Blinken, ahead of Asian meet. Scientists discovered over 4,300 dinosaur footprints in China. And now some sports news. Commonwealth Games 2022 PV Sindhu sailed into women's singles pre-quarters. Hima Das won her heat to qualify for 200-meter semi-finals. Amit Panghal assured of medal. PV Sindhu and Kidambi Shrikant won. And now let's have a look on business news. Sensex Nifty reverse trend and fall snap 6-day winning streak. Google's Sundar Pichai warned staff to improve focus and productivity. Walmart cuts jobs, join Tesla, Netflix, and Coinbase Global. Rupee plunged to over 79.50 as dollar climbs on more Fed rates hike. World food crisis may be hit by poor monsoons in some parts of India. SpiceJet flights to be reinstated gradually. Regulator DGCA said. Market regulator SEBI changes mutual fund rules. China-Taiwan tussle may result in semiconductor shortage. Auto dealers' body. Now let's have a look on weather. Weather Office on Thursday issued red alert in 8 Kerala district amid incessant rain. On 5th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 32 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.